Here I have ZTE Blade A602, and let me show you how to insert here the SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards, let's remove the debug cover. So you can do it by using the cavity at the following corner of the screen of the device. Let's just use your nail finger to open that one. Let me show you. As simple as that. Let's do it step by step. And now you have access to your slots. So here you can insert the micro SIM card, here you can insert the nano SIM card, and here the micro SD. So let me insert all of those three cards. Let's start with micro SIM with the characteristic edge right here. This is the dual SIM version of the device, so you can have two SIM cards. Let's press it to the end. Now let's insert the nano SIM with the characteristic edge right here. Let's insert this card in that position. Press it to the end. Alright, and let's end with the micro SD with the memory card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that slot. And also let's push it to the end. Excellent. So now let's just close debug cover. Let's press the power key. ZTE Blade A602 is switching on. Let's wait a few seconds. Alright, let's make sure that both cards work properly, so let's unlock the screen. Here you have to find and select the settings. Let's choose dual SIM settings. As you can see, the device is reading our two cards, so it's a good sign. Let's go back, scroll down, and here let's choose the storage. Let me find storage. Under advanced settings, maybe, yes, here you have the storage, so let me tap storage, and the phone is reading our portable storage, so our SD card. So everything went well, both cards works properly. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.